to show you how to do 2 really cute styles to wear with a hat. For today, I am going to do 2 styles with my hat, but we're going to be using a normal hat, not one of those ponytail hats, because not everybody has one of those. So today's is going to be with just a normal snapback and not one that has a little ponytail holder up higher. I'm going to gather all my hair into a ponytail in my hand. I like to leave my bangs out a little. I'm going to turn around and show you. I'm going to twist my ponytail and then hold it in place while I pop my hat on. Now I'm going to take a tail comb, I'm going to stick it into the hair that's at the snapback, I'm going to pull that out. Take a claw clip, I'm going to clip it over top, and voila. There we go. Cute, easy, and great way to wear your hair up with your hat on. That's not just a basic ponytail. The second one is my favorite. I'm going to do a middle part and pull all my hair back and tuck it behind my ears, except for my bangs that I want to leave out. I'm going to pop my hat on, and then I'm going to separate my hair into 2. Just like that. I'm going to take 2 small hair ties. These are the children's size hair ties that I typically use. And I am just going to create 2 little messy buns. I want to do them a little further back, not right behind my ear, just because I think that looks cuter with the hat. This one is definitely my favorite and the most common way that I wear my hair when I wear a hat. It looks cute from the front, it looks cute from the side, it looks cute from the back. It works great with any style of hat, whether it's a snapback, a full back, or a ponytail hat. It works great with all of them. A great way to pop your hair up off your neck while you're wearing a hat this summer. I hope that helps. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, like and subscribe, and leave me a comment below. And I hope that you try out some new styles on your hair this summer so that you can love your hair.